Hello everyone, this is Merritt Trainboy speaking, and welcome to another unboxing review. Today we got something which I have got in the mail off of eBay, which is like a few weeks ago. And these items here were I've certainly always wanted a few of these items. And they are the Tomy Wind-up Thomas Trains. So here we got 4 of them, which are Thomas, Percy, James, and Diesel 10. And these were a lucky find on eBay, and they were on a good price as well, and I quickly bought them, and so here they are now. And so without further ado, let's get them open, since they're still in their packagings. We'll start with Thomas. That's what the front of the packaging looks like. And here on the back shows the rest of the characters, which are in this range. And I think I could easily open. And up here, luckily I got my trusty knife here to cut away some of the tape. There we go. Use it now. There we are. So there's Thomas out of his packaging. And there's a little bit of red, and that on the front of his cab, and on the back there it says, right there on the back says 2006 Ghislaine Thomas Limited. So that was like 13 years ago when these style of Thomas trains first came out. Next, here's Percy. That's the front, and here's the back. And I'll carefully cut. There we go. There we are. And so here's Percy. On the back is the same date. Right there, 2006. And it's very interesting that this model of Percy has a lamp, just like Thomas. Next, here's James. There we are. So here's James, the red engine. Same date. And although one thing that I don't like, that I kind of don't like about this model of James is that the wheels are red. Would have been nicer if they were black. Okay, so here's our last Tomy Wind-up engine, which is diesel 10. Ooh. There he is. Painting. And his claw moves up and down. And it opens. See that? And that's all of the engines from their packagings. Even though, of course, there's only 4 of them. So here, as you can see, I got some track out. And this is the old style take-along track. You see? So we can give these 4 wind-up trains a quick run. So we'll first start with Thomas. That should be enough. Off he goes. Okay, that was okay. Next, we have Percy. And off he goes. Looks like that was pretty much it. Next, it's James. Ooh. Kind of a bit sluggish, but only just. And finally here we have Diesel 10. So off he goes. Yes, some of these engines don't like this kind of track. And I think I should get some track which are for these trains, so that way they can run better. So there you have it, everyone. These 4 were from the Tomy Wind-up Thomas range. And I hope you have enjoyed looking at them. And to be serious here, these 4 aren't actually my first Wind-up Thomas toys. These were. These kind of wind-up Thomas toys were made by Erdl. So here we got Thomas, Ben, and Birdie the Bus. And I'm sure most of you have seen this Thomas before. And that was featured in my Thomas collection video. So yeah, this type of range was quite earlier, before Tomy had produced their own. So doing a side-by-side comparison here, you can see that the Tomy Wind-up Thomas is smaller than the Erdl Wind-up Thomas. And you see, at first, I knew that these kind of wind-up trains would be small, but I didn't think they would be this small. I always thought that they would be the size of this. But no, they were actually slightly a bit smaller. So that's all for now, and stay tuned for some more videos, which hopefully I'll be producing soon. And also stay tuned for my live stream, which I'll be doing this weekend. And I'll have the link to it in the video's description, so you can check and see when it'll be starting at your local time. And until next time, thanks for watching, everyone. This is Merritt Train Boy, signing off.